What's going on, guys? So I figured I've seen a couple people do it obviously before, but I wanted to give my 2 cents on the NRG steering wheel and also the weighted shift knob to kind of give like my input on NRG versus like Grip Royal or all the other brands. I definitely think it's not the worst. Obviously it's not like eBay quality, because I mean eBay wheels are terrible, but I'm not gonna say I love them that much, because this wheel I probably had it for about 2 years now, maybe 3. No, about 2 years, yeah. And I don't really drive the car that much, or the cars that it's been on that much, so it's not like I use it every day and that's why it's how it is. But it's just not like, hold on, let me see if I can show you. It's not ideal. Like it has cracks in places. Like I don't know if it'll focus, but you can kind of see. It's not trying to focus at all. No way. Well, it's not trying to focus, but it has cracks along, like, so it'll be like the spoke like this, and then on each part of where the wood is, you can see cracks. Obviously my camera won't focus, so I really can't show you guys. It's not too bad. Sturdy wise, I mean, as you can see, it does move a little bit. That might just be from my hub, but still, it's still not as sturdy as I would like it. Now, but the thing is, it is cheaper than like a Grip Royal, which I know Grip Royals are a lot more sturdy than NRGs, because a couple of my friends run Grip Royals, and they're definitely a lot more, and they're definitely more sturdy than the NRG one that I have. But the weighted shift knob. Now, I love this shift knob, man. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. This thing is great. I don't know, I love it. It's beautiful, and it matches, even though I didn't do that. The owner before me of this car had this shift knob in it, and I had this wheel, so it was like coincidence that they both like matched up perfectly. But I would say on the wheel, 1 out of 10, I would probably give it like a 6 or a 7. Now for the price, I would give it more like an 8 or a 9. But given other wheels and different brands, I would say it's probably a 6 or a 7 on that general scale. Now the shift knob is, I like it a lot. I mean, I don't really know, because I don't really have that many shift knobs. I used to have one of those the sword shift knobs, but I hated that long shift knobs with the Z32. For some reason, for me, I just can't get it into gear right. Like, it just feels, I don't know, whatever it is, it wouldn't go into gear right at all. But that's just my opinion. That's just how I feel. So, you know, you gotta live and you gotta learn. You gotta do whatever you want to do. But I would say steering wheel 6 out of 10, and for the shift knob, I'd put more like an 8 out of 10 for that one. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I feel about the NRG hub and shifter. Now, the quick release, I do like the quick release, I'm not gonna lie. I know this wasn't really necessarily about the quick release, but the quick release is nice. I've had no issues with it at all. It goes on and off pretty good, no issues there. One thing I do stress the most is put Loctite on your bolts, because they will start coming out eventually, and then it gets really annoying because you hear your steering wheel like move like this. So I would just, you know, suggest putting a Loctite on. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a fat thumbs up and go subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.